Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into a festive favorite, perfect for the spooky season. Get ready to transform your home into a Halloween wonderland with the best caution tape roll for Halloween. This isn't just any caution tape, it's the HEY-OKEY 164 FT long Halloween Do Not Enter caution tape roll. Measuring 3 inches wide and boasting a striking yellow background with bold black lettering, it's designed to grab attention while setting the mood for Halloween. Whether you're decorating for a Halloween party, creating a crime scene for some spooky fun, or simply want to keep the kids at bay from a particularly eerie corner of your home, this caution tape does it all. One of the standout features of this tape is its eye-catching design. The combination of yellow and black ensures high visibility, making it a fantastic decorative piece that screams Halloween. Imagine draping this tape across doors, windows, and trees, creating a spine-chilling atmosphere for your guests. Its non-adhesive nature means it can be easily applied using tape, tacks, or even tied around objects, giving you the flexibility to decorate as you please. With a generous length of 164 feet, you'll have plenty of tape to work with. You can cut it to your desired length, allowing for customization that suits your specific decorating needs. This makes it ideal for indoor and outdoor setups, whether you're spooking up your living room or your front yard. Now, let's talk about durability. Made from high-grade polyethylene, this caution tape is designed to withstand the elements. It's tear-resistant and weather-resistant, which means it won't let a little rain ruin your spooky setup. Whether it's windy or slightly damp outside, you can trust this tape to hold up through the Halloween festivities. But the versatility of this tape doesn't end with Halloween. While it's perfect for creating a haunted atmosphere, it can also be utilized for various occasions beyond just Halloween. Think of it as a prop for crime scene setups, escape rooms, or even construction-themed parties. Its use is only limited by your imagination. So, whether you're a Halloween enthusiast looking to impress your guests or just want to add a spooky touch to your decor, the HEY-OKEY 164 FT long Halloween Do Not Enter caution tape roll is your go-to solution. Priced at just $5.99, it's an affordable way to elevate your Halloween decorations. Be sure to grab this tape and start planning your Halloween masterpiece. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on great products to enhance your holiday celebrations. Thanks for watching, and happy haunting! If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below on how you plan to use this caution tape in your Halloween decorations. See you next time.